Hey, I'm in Morden. Is Mr. Code, and it's a lovely shop. It's a beautiful shop, and the problem is in the freezer. There's a problem, and I just have a look at it, and the condenser fan is broken, so we must change the fan. Condenser
Sorry.
fan. No problem, no problem. So I take out the lead condenser fan, and we're going to change the fan which is here and replace it. I took it out, the old one was broken, so replace the new one. Everything looks good, so I'm going to put the fan lid on and turn the unit on. Now it's ready to turn on. And condenser fan is working now. Good. Yeah, job done. Another job.